Exercise 1.2 question number 2. Set A கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 1 2 3 4 dot 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 last element 45. The relation is the square of on A. On A means from A to A. Now we have to write the relation R as a subset of A cross A. So the relation R is 1 1 because 1 is the square of 1. Then we have to go to 4 because we can't write 2 as the square of any number given in the set A. So 4 2. Then because 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, 36 is the square of 6. That's all. அதுக்கப்புறம் நாம எதுவும் இந்த மாதிரி எழுத முடியாது. is the square ofனு ஏங்கிற செட்டிலேருந்து எழுத முடியாது. So there ends. Rங்கிற ordered pairs எழுதிட்டோம். This is R is a subset of A cross A. That's the relation. Is the square of is the relation. Domain of R is, what is the domain? We have to write the first elements 1 4 9 16 25 36. That's the domain of the relation. What is the range? Range is second elements 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's all. Now the textbook answer is not correct for this problem. The textbook answer will be correct if the relation R is defined as is the square root of. Given relation is the square of. If that relation is changed as is the square root of, then the textbook answer will be correct. Then exercise 1.2 question number 3. A relation is given as set of all xy such that y equal to x plus 3 where x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Determine domain and range. Relation is given, we have to find the range of R. So in this relation you put x equal to 0, you get y equal to 3, then x equal to 1, then you get 4, then put 2, then you get 5, 3 plus 3 6, then 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 3 8. So the range is 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the elements which will form the range of the relation. Then domain, that is nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5. That is the domain because all these elements have got images in R. So that is the domain. Exercise 1.2 question number 4. We have to represent each of the given relations by arrow diagram, graph, set roster form wherever possible. Now 4.1, fourth question, first subdivision. X is there, y is there. Relation is given as x equal to 2y. In other words, y equal to x by 2. Arrow diagram. The set is written here. Set y is written here. Now y equal to x by 2. So if you put x equal to 2, 2 by 2, you get 1. 1 is there. So 2 is related to 1. If you put 3, 3 by 2, 3 is not related to any element of y. If you put 4, 4 by 2, that is 2. So 4 is related to 2. If you put 5, 5 by 2, it is not there in y. So 5 is not related to any element of y. So the arrow diagram is 2 is related to 1, 4 is related to 2. That's all. This is the arrow diagram. Then graph. The set x is taken on the x-axis, that is set y is taken on the y-axis. Now we mark the corresponding points. 2 1, 2 1. So first point 2 1. Then second point 4 2. So 4 x 4 y 2 4 2. These 2 points form the relation. Then roster form 2 1 4 2 set of ordered pairs, that is the roster form. Then we have exercise 1.2 question number 4, second subdivision. X is given, y is given, The relation is also given. Arrow diagram. Substitute the values of x in this. Find the values of y. 1 plus 3, 4. So 1 is related to 4. Then put x equal to 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So 2 is related to 5. Put 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 3 is related to 6 and so on. So 1 is related to 4. By substituting the values of x in this relation, we can get the values of y. Then lastly 6 is related to what? 6 plus 3, 9. So 6 is related to 9. If you put 7, 7 plus 3, 10. But 10 is not there. So there ends the correspondence. Arrow diagram is drawn. Then graph, the points are marked, taking the set x on the x-axis and set y on the y-axis. These points constitute the relation. Then roster form 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. Then exercise 1.2, fifth problem. A company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants marked by A, clerks marked by C, managers marked by M, and executive officer marked by E. The company provides 10,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M and E respectively. And if A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 are assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers, E1, E2 were executive officers. If the relation is defined by X related to Y, where R is X is salary, Y is person. You have to express the relation through an ordered pair and arrow diagram. Ordered pair, 10,000 rupees salary, person who gets it A1, 10,000 A2, 10,000 A3, 10,000 A4, 10,000 A5. That's all. Assistants over. Then clerks, 25,000 rupees C1, one clerk C1 gets the salary 25,000 rupees. Another clerk C2 gets the same 25,000 rupees salary, and so on. So these ordered pairs denote the relation R. Then arrow diagram.